How can Iyengar Yoga can help you if you have a medical condition and you want to improve your health? I am Gaston Danterre from India Yoga Vibes, and today I'm going to present the case of Omer, an Israeli guy that has been suffering a severe medical condition since he was a child. Omer is at the moment practicing Iyengar Yoga to improve his health and his lifestyle.
My name is Omer. I'm from Israel, 32 years old. Before I came here to India, almost 9 months ago, I was an economics teacher for BA students. I have a health condition called cerebral palsy. It's a variety of different disabilities. Mine is on the easy part. It means that the brain gives a constant order for the muscles and tendons to be tight, and also the legs have a tendency to go inwards. My legs and my back has less muscles than the normal average person. I have problems with balance and a little bit of gentle motorics in the hands. Sometimes something that I found out mainly during practice is that I have places in my body that I want to control, and I'm sending a message like lift your fingers, but nothing is happening. So this is one more thing that I need to create connections between the brain and parts of the body. I started practicing Iyengar Yoga for 3 years now. First, I was in the therapy class in Israel. Then I moved to the beginners, and then to the intermediate, and then I came here. The biggest progress I had was here in India because of the intensity of the practice. And what I realized over time is that my body is physically changing. It's coming in the amount of muscles that I have. I have now muscles that I never knew existing. It's also with my posture and the way I stand. I think I'm taller now. And I'm definitely straighter. And I feel that I have a lot more movement abilities in my body, especially in my legs. And for me, also yoga is like a way to deal with your inner world. So yoga helped me to do things that I never thought possible. And coming to India is one of them. I would have never thought that I will be able to come here because of my disability. And what made it possible was the practice of yoga.
When Omer was here, first time I saw him, I don't know what to do with him. Very honest answer. And then he explained me himself, and I have no experience with any medical way. And then he said first thing, very beautiful, we learn both. And he said you can do whatever, but we learn together, no problem with the pain, I know my limits, something. So he gave me freedom that what can I do with him, you know, that things like he accepts somehow. He gave me freedom. So then I start doing, and then yeah, from first day to now he changed completely. At least he have a this muscle. The chest is he have a this muscle here. Before he was, if you really see his WhatsApp photo, it's like an alien one. It's like no muscle. But now at least he have some new muscle. I can see in him. Even 3 days ago or 4 days ago, I told him that your weak one leg is because his left leg is weak. It same like right one now. I mean, like it's little bit like 19 and 20, like little bit, very little bit difference. But if somebody like first time watch, they cannot recognize. I mean, like for me, he get more muscle there, and I was surprised. I said, "Oh, Omer," when I told him, I said, "You have a more muscle there, so it's nice there." So this is, I can see, he stands straight. He somehow now no stick. Sometimes he uses stick because of so many people here traveling in India. So earlier when he came with the 2 stick, yes, and now he come sometimes stick, sometimes not. So this is big achievement for me also, for him also. I don't know for him, but for me, yes, because it's my first time I work with any medical way, and yeah, changes.
I find a lot of things in Iyengar Yoga. I found that doing asanas, which is what we are focusing here, but doing asanas can give you a lot more than physical strength. As I said before, I think that it gives you the opportunity and the chance to confront issues and conflicts that you have in your inner world. It comes through the physical practice, but then you have to learn how to deal with limitations, how to overcome fear, how to calm your mind. All these things are coming from the physical practice, but they are not physical. And for example, also, I learned discipline and endurance and being dedicated and coming every day and to practice. And this is things that after you go out from the yoga shala, you can use it in other aspects of your life.
So I met Omer when I came here in the end of October, and I really could see him how he improved, because we were like coming here every day for self-practice and every day for classes, and then after some month I can see how he changed, just not only in the physical way, but also his strengths. And so I'm very happy to share with him in the yoga class. He's also inspiring me for coming, because every day that I came here, usually he was before me in the self-practice, and after 1 hour and a half of self-practice, and I was leaving, and he was still working and working hard. So for me it was really inspiring, and always, to see that if you work hard, if you have your self-discipline, you can improve. So for me, he's an inspiration.
The short answer is that it changed my life. This is the short answer. The longer answer is that I wouldn't recommend Iyengar Yoga to anyone. It needs to be someone who is willing to do the work, to work hard, and to fight. I am talking about someone like me. I think that normal people has problems also that they can solve or confront through yoga, and I think that Iyengar Yoga allows all people to practice yoga, even people with disabilities like me, which is amazing. And also, at the same time, it pushes you to your limits, and then you have to confront your limits and your limitations, and then from there you can grow. This is why I recommend Iyengar Yoga, because it allows you, it gives you the right atmosphere to be able to grow and develop. So if someone wants to overcome some difficulties or disabilities, it can either be mental or physical. I think that yoga provides the ground to handle both of these things. My recommendation is to prepare yourself to be able to go the extra mile, to know that the road will be hard, and sometimes it will be very hard to see the fruit of your labor, but you need to be patient. This is the biggest recommendation I can say. Be patient, listen to yourself, and also find a teacher that is willing to do the same. And good luck.